In a single day, I am literally listening hundreds of ambulances running here and there. Situation outside is really getting worse day by day, so I have decided not to step out of my home and do any kind of videos or other stuff. I have also postponed some of my other works that I need to do outside. I have decided to make videos by staying indoors only. So from now on, whatever the videos you may be watching will be definitely in this room only, or in this particular angle only, because you know, right, the outside situation is not very good, and also it's not that necessary to step out of the home just to make a video. So yes friends, I have decided that I will be doing videos by staying indoors only. And please, you guys also please stay indoors and also wear a mask and use sanitizer whenever possible. And yeah, stay home and stay safe. Today we got used to those words and to those warnings. It's like the virus is like it became a part of our life, but some or the other day we definitely need to overcome it and deliberately wanted to live our old lives which we have back in the days. Whatever, just forget all those. And well, what's up everybody, this is Nikhil and welcome back to my channel Wiser Red Macha.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
Gliding into the topic, this video is gonna be about one of the greatest motorcycle brand which recently quit India. So far by the title you guys have already know about that brand. Yes, that brand is nothing but the American based greatest motorcycle brand ever, that is Harley Davidson. I have recently asked some of my friends to just tell me about a greatest motorcycle brand of all the time, and shockingly most of the people told that the best motorcycle brand now, then and ever is Harley Davidson. But even though they are a great Harley lovers, they doesn't know that Harley recently quit in India. Yes, you heard it right. Harley Davidson, the greatest motorcycle brand. I know that I have said the greatest motorcycle brand like literally 10 or 20 times till now. But yes, you know, you got it right. It's one of the best company in the world. So, but it has decided to leave the Indian market. So I have decided to make a video regarding this. I'll be explaining things about the history of the Harley Davidson company in India, and also 5 different reasons which made Harley Davidson quit India. So let's hop into the main topic. Guess what? I'm going to be a social professor now, because I'll be talking about history. Oh, cool guys. Sorry, I know it's a very lame joke, but please bear with me. Harley Davidson India is a wholly owned branch of Harley Davidson based in Gurgaon, which is located in Haryana, India. Well, Harley Davidson India commenced operations in August 2009 and appointed its first dealership in July 2010. That means it took around 11 months after its commencement to open its first dealership here in India. Well, Harley Davidson offer a range of 11 models in India from each of its 6 platforms, which includes Sportster, Dyna, Softail, V-Rod, Touring and Street. The company has 29 dealership facilities across India, which includes top cities like Delhi, Gurgaon, Coimbatore, Hyderabad, Bengaluru and etc. The company has also set up an assembly unit at Bawal, Haryana in the year 2011. The Harley's main model that brought immense following is the Street Rod 750. It has got so much fame and following from most of the Indians, which took the company's reputation to next level.
So then why the company decided to quit India?
Yeah, I will give 5 reasons why Harley Davidson decided to quit India. We all know that Harley Davidson's most of the products were into cruising segment motorcycles, which means that back in the days cruisers were one of the most unique and different motorcycles to the Indian market. So during those days, Harley is one of the leading motorcycle brand which only delivers the cruiser motorcycles into the Indian market. But later on, days passed by, years passed by, and Harley got different competitors in our Indian market as well, which includes top companies like Royal Enfield, Java, Norton, etc. Royal Enfield is one of the most successful bike brand in our country. So it got very name and popularity within a period of time. So it was like one of the best competitor to the Harley Davidson, because the introductory bike of Harley Davidson is Street Road 750. Yes, but Royal Enfield came up with an excellent machine, that is the Continental 650 and also the Interceptor 650. Well, while the Street Road 750 costs around 8 to 9 lakhs on road, but the Royal Enfield's twins cost around 5 lakh on road, close to 5 lakh. So it was like a piece of cake business for the Royal Enfield to attract the Indian customers into the cruiser segment and the cruiser culture basically. But somehow Harley Davidson didn't manage to find the equal frequency for the Indian bike enthusiasts. So the fierceful competition is one of the main thing why Harley chose to quit India. No local partners. Yes, Harley Davidson never had a Indian local motorcycle manufacturers as its main partners. Though different other companies have Java. Let's take Java as an example. Java Motorcycles has Mahindra and Mahindra as a local partner, which made Java's sales very successful, and also the service centers of the Java as one of the best gift to the customers. Java has a good support like Mahindra and Mahindra, but coming to Harley Davidson, it does not have any of the local motorcycle company support. So it's the second thing why Harley Davidson tends to quit India. Poor backup service. Yes, Harley Davidson being one of the best motorcycle brand in the world, but it lacks in the service stations in our country. Coming to Indian market, Indian bike users always have one or the other major problems that will be arriving in their motorcycles. To attract Indian bikers, a great motorcycle company like Harley Davidson should be concentrating on developing the service stations, but it got failed in that segment. So it led to the one of the main negative marking that has imposed on a Harley Davidson brand. As we have discussed earlier, Harley Davidson has around 39 different showrooms in our country, which is not a good number, I think so, because it is also one of the reason. Due to poor customer reach, Harley Davidson never had good sales in our Indian market. Too late to fight Royal Enfield. Yes, I have told so many times that the best and the ever competitor of Harley Davidson is Royal Enfield only. Not even Java, not even Norton. Yes, Royal Enfield only. Because Royal Enfield has got such a name and such a following, immense following, that compared to Royal Enfield, Harley Davidson sales are around 36,000 units in an year. But however, Royal Enfield manages to sell 36,000 units in a single month, which shows a major difference from Royal Enfield and the Harley Davidson.
So these are some of the main reasons which made Harley Davidson quit India.